Welcome back to another episode of Family. Afro Senpai here. If I think Apple, the company that does iPhones, the company that wants to get into autonomous vehicles, the company that wants to get into the medical field, I think that their share price is going to be worth more in the future. So I'm going to buy a call for Apple. I feel that Apple can certainly hit 149 by Friday. And then I would click here. And Robinhood is going to start the buying process for me to purchase this contract for $153. What's all this information, you might be asking down here? I didn't know what that information meant. Remember, I'm walking you through how I learned how to trade options. And we're going to stop there. I make videos about building wealth along with the winning mindset because I believe that everybody deserves to be happy and everybody deserves to be free. So if you learned something, consider liking the video, commenting, sharing this video, and until the next one, remember to smile because you are beautiful. Peace.